One, two, sarang!
Hey! Annyeong, this is Chancy.
Hello, my name is Pia.
Hi, this is Monica and we are One, Two, Sarang here for a very, very exciting thing. Ang inaabangan natin for a while now. And ano pa nga ba to? Kundi another 17 unit just came about. Came about, not really, because these two debuted. Because these two, they actually have been singing together. Actually, hindi pala. It's been 10 years since their last duet. And finally,
10 years na yung Say Yes?
10 years
Wow.
na raw.
Tagal
2016. Yung Say Yes.
Damn.
And finally, we have Dokyeom and Songkwon with their own unit. And they released their mini album called Serenade, or in Korean, Soyagok. So, syempre, dahil may bagong release, merong bagong music video. At dahil may bagong music video, kami ay mag-react for this episode.
Yes!
Very excited for this because it's been a while. Ito yung aming back to work talaga. Hello 2026 new recording. And what a fitting way to do it with a 17 episode. Tapos, malapit na mag-birthday pa si Songkwan. So, happy birthday, Kwani!
Happy
And
birthday!
for this kung may mini album, ito I guess mini episode din. We are going to watch the music video together. Simulan na natin. And by the way, this is 7 minutes, guys. It's gonna be longer than our usual because this is the cinema version. For their title track Blue, this is their official music video cinema version. It's directed by Annie Chung and starring Steve No and Lee Yu Mi. Can't wait. Shall we? Yan na naman tayo.
자, 괜찮습니다. 자, 벗어나야 됩니다.
괜찮아요.
네, 일단 벗어날게요. 떨어져! 빨리! 가야 돼! 가야 돼요!
하얗게 메마른 너의 그 표정에 한없이 멀어진 하루를 물을 때 대답도 없이 이어진 침묵이 마주한 우릴 기어이 삼킨 뒤에 너의 곁에서 깊이 잠기고 있어 그토록 찬란한 모습들이 모두 다 어디로 바랜 건지 차오르는 감정에 넌 휩쓸려 버린 듯해 여전히 난 여기에 Still I love you without you 네 곁에서 멀리 나 홀로 깊이 falling blue 애써 너를 향해 뻗어본 손끝이 흩어진 물결에 너의 그 모습이 I'm blue falling in blue 난 그렇게 한없이 falling in your blue 새빨간 거짓말들로 괜찮다 웃어 보여도 이미 다 투명해진 내 맘 따위 네 눈에 눈적조차도 없겠지 Baby 내일이 난 그려지지 않아 더 이상 우린 어디쯤에 멎을까 Still I love you 너를 향해 뻗어본 손끝이 흩어진 물결은 너의 그 모습이 I'm blue
상현아.
난 그렇게 한없이 falling in your blue 홀로 눈을 맞추고 사랑해도 애써도 You didn't come back to me
왜 전화 안 받아?
너 면접 보러 간 거 아니었어?
오직 메아리만 Love you, love you Without you, without you 네 곁에서 멀리 나 홀로 깊이 falling blue 이젠 돌이킬 수 없는 그 마음이 더는 외면할 수 없는 이 순간이 I'm blue falling in blue 난 그렇게 한없이 falling in your blue
Okay.
May mga pogi bigla.
Okay.
Nalito ako kasi nakalagay pa yung blue. Sabi ko,
I know, nakita ko na.
Bakit hindi na siya blue? Ba't mukha na siya?
Tapos biglang may mga poging lumabas.
Okay, so that was DK and Songkwan's Blue, the cinematic version, their music video.
Walang nagsalita the whole MV.
Wala, oo nga eh.
Tulala lang tayong lahat.
I don't even know how to begin. Pero ang dami kong tanong. Like, am I dumb or what happened? That's my
Ito
question.
ito yung understanding ko ng nangyari. Well, first of all, yung guy, kasi yung profile niya medyo kamukha pa ni DK. Anyway.
Correct.
Medyo nalito
Feeling
pa
ko,
ako at some
yun
point.
ang
Now,
reason.
confused.
So, si Song Kwan yung babae.
Pwede rin naman.
Pero parang when it started, the guy parang was kind of in corporate clothes. So parang matanda na siya noon. And then the girl knows that she's going through what he is going through trauma and tried her best to be there for him as he
Yeah.
navigates life, going through losing a friend and all of that. Tapos may flashback to the happy days kung kailan sila nag-start, na parang dati, he was always there for me. Pag matapon yung kape ko, siya magpupunas. Kapag lagi niya
Yeah.
akong sinusundan. So now, I'll try my best to be there for him. Tapos, pero parang it became too much because it got in the way of her life. Kahit job interview, kailangan niyang ma-miss just to be there for him.
Yeah.
Until finally, she wakes up with sunlight, clarity, realizing na this is not working out for either of us anymore. Kaya,
Yeah.
break up siya.
It was a very intense start to it though. Na
Yeah.
parang you would think na, I mean, I understand naman na the trauma propels the story for both of them. Siguro,
Yeah.
kaya lang din ako nalito kasi parang, I mean, I know that it had to start with a bang and, great
With trauma
with trauma code.
With trauma code,
with trauma
correct.
code. With, Jihoon. Ang pangalan niya?
With
Si-
one.
Ju Ji-hoon.
Ju Ji-hoon.
With Ju Ji-hoon, ganyan. Pero parang dun ako na-confused kasi parang like, who died? Like, yun nga, I had to go back to the start and really stare at it to
Yeah.
to figure out kung sino yung namatay. Is it the girl or is it someone else? Kasi parang,
It's a guy.
no, it's a woman
Guy.
eh. Yung namatay?
Lalaki siya. I kinda looked at it as well. Parang
Oo.
best friend siguro niya. Parang yung shot dun sa loob ng kotse is a
Sige
man.
nga, tingnan natin.
But it was
Parang
a little
babae.
bit of a I think they tried to make it confusing kasi ang first thought ko rin
Lalaki,
is it was Yumi, the girl.
Tingnan niyo sa 022. Lalaki siya.
Pero
Kasi yung
parang
suot
hindi
niya
pala.
parang naka-coat.
Necktie din siya.
Oo, naka-coat. Tsaka yung hair niya
Yes.
maikse eh. Lalaki siya.
Okay, makes sense now. Okay. Akala ko girl. Parang,
Mm.
in my head, when hindi ko pa nung binabalikan, parang akala ko parang may konting play on, like, she is the ghost of his past. Parang ganun. Like, parang he is deep in depression because she was the one who saw. But yes, it makes a lot of sense nga na parang
Yeah.
traumatized siya because of that death.
An experience.
And he was the one who was driving.
Who was driving.
Yeah.
Kaya lang kasi nalito din ako dun sa part na parang nung nasa cafe sila and I guess disheveled na siya, kinalimutan na niya ang corporate life because he's just so traumatized by his experience. Alam mo yun. Pero they looked so young. So parang I thought it was
I think
Flashback
it was
yan
a
sa
flashback.
Sa
Which
start
I
ng
think is a
relationship.
mistake.
Okay. So they were
'Cause for
together
me-
na during his accident.
Oo, parang they
Or did-
started
Oo.
fine. Kaya yun yung
Oo.
flashback, yung kape, nahulog. He was always there for me. I love him. Kaya ako na in love sa kanya. So now, I have to be there for him. He's going through trauma. Pero, yun nga, it just became too much. And it also connects to the lyrics na, parang 'di ba, I'm falling in your blue.
Falling in your
Oo,
blue. Yes.
Oo.
Correct.
So parang yun
But that's-
yung parang pinaka-yearning part of the song. They had to bring it out with this story. Parang medyo kinailangan kong i-distance yung sarili ko sa story eh. Parang i-focus ko na lang nga sa kanta kasi medyo nainis ako sa story sort of. Pero gets ko
I
naman kung
am.
bakit yun yung ginawa with this song. Parang dun ko. Parang gets naman because they're the yearners. They could sing this so beautiful. They could put so much melody to the sadness. And that's what Songkwan and DK are so good at.
Correct.
So
Oo.
parang ang
I
ganda ng
guess.
pagkakakolor
But
nila.
I wanna nitpick lang though kasi parang nakakairita na may flashback. And Yumi was still the kid and then it was a different guy representing Steve No. Which makes it
that was not him?
confusing.
Akala ko
It
siya.
wasn't him. It's a different actor.
Different actor, no?
actor.
Doon ako nalito
Different
kasi parang,
actor.
is it him or ang galing lang nilang
It's
maglagay
not
ng wig?
him.
Parang like,
It's a
if
different
that's a wig, that's an
actor.
amazing wig.
Diba?
So,
It's a
hindi siya
different,
yung nasa
completely different
flashback.
actor.
Ibig sabihin, So, ibang lalaki yung iniisip niya. So, was she comparing her present relationship to her past relationship? And also, iniisip ko rin while watching, is this so important? Or is the song more important? Kasi dami ng pamanipik dun sa dun sa MV.
Correct. Well, ang nakuha ko naman din kasi, I mean, obviously, nakita na naman natin yung track samples, right? Na yung direction of their album is very soundtrack.
Yes,
You know,
our OST gods.
Yeah, so it felt like, okay, they make a short film to go with this song because it makes sense because that's how they present, that's how their songs sound like din naman. But I wish it was like a better, but I wish it was a better short film. Like,
Exactly.
I don't know, I'm a little bit annoyed by it na how it was very, very literal, I guess. They played with the colors, like the blues and the yellows, like pag lighter days it's all warm, and then pag sad days blue, parang gets naman, it's beautiful to look at, pero parang I don't know. Okay, fine, maybe I forgive the color because the title is called Blue nga naman, so essential yon, but I wish it was a better storyline. Like, I get na, I go for like a deep cut trauma. I mean, you can only imagine what it must be like, right? To go through something like that na that's why ganun yung nag-unfold na drama with their relationship. But, I don't know. I think it could have been presented better. Like, I don't know,
Parang
edited better? I'm not sure.
Parang for me, yung start kasi took a lot of it eh. Parang like, you start with that big crash, and then parang the story of the two, parang naano niya na natakpan niya, na-eclipsean niya yung story ng dalawa. For me kasi parang like, and then the thing is that crash is just part of his story. Pero what we're actually trying to focus on is the two of them. Pero that crash was just so heavy at the start. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Baka nga sa the editing, parang masyadong trauma code for me. And then, yun nga, what you asked earlier, parang, bakit ba? I mean, bakit ganito? 'Di ba? I mean, they're talking about ordinary love. 'Di ba? Yun naman yung tinatry lang i-push in terms of,
For the album?
For the album. Di ba dun sa teasers nila? So parang like sana how this is, the stories being shown is a little more downplayed para't mas umangat yung kanta versus the trauma and all that stuff. Alam mo, kung ordinary love lang naman ang gusto nating tingnan. Kasi love can diminish in the most ordinary way. But this just feels a little bit more kind of intense. Hollywood blockbuster. Ganun yung vibes niya for me. But baka yun din yung
kasi yun nga, masyadong literal na yung falling into your blue. Na parang kailangan nilang masyado i-push yung agenda na, okay, I'm falling in love with your sadness. I don't know how to be there for you. What happened to the brighter days? So they had to really elevate the storytelling, and I guess the story did not just work. Like the story at the end of the day.
Dragged it.
Parang medyo dinisconnect ko na yung sarili ko at some points and just listen to their their voices.
Agree. But they will have like another version of this, right?
I did not watch their showcase kanina, so I don't know what they
said. Hindi ko rin alam eh. Hindi ko rin napanood.
I assume, because they gave a title na cinema version. So ibig sabihin there's another version, right? Like a performance version. Honestly, I have to see it because, you know how songs, they're latched on to visual things.
Exactly. Yeah.
This did not do justice for the song for them. I mean, the intention was, I guess, to introduce. Alam ko naman na medyo nasa melodramatic yung tono nila. Alam mo yun nga, pang soundtrack, like what I mentioned earlier. But, I love soundtracks. Like, I have a lot of favorite soundtrack songs from them. But this is just not it. Like, for this short film, I need to erase it from memory. So I'm really hoping that the performance version, na sana meron talaga, is gonna redeem their song.
Setting aside yung Jonghan Wonu, which felt so rushed and wala talagang maayos na concept, everything parang binilisan lang nila. So, tanggalin yon. Howu, CXM, parang yung Howu kasi parang sobrang perfect nung MV nila na these two, mga masterpiece sila, artwork sila. So, dapat naka-pedestal, naka-ano sila, ganon. CXM, simple, hot boys na singing to the
Correct.
ladies, ganon. So, parang ito, okay, so they're the storytellers, they're the heart, I guess, of the songs. In 17, the song soar because of them. Siguro, as a carrot, nabitin lang ako sa, sana inuna na lang muna like a performance MV bago cinematic.
Agree. Oo.
That would have
agree.
worked better, I guess, for us. Kasi gets na naman natin na sila yon. Sila
Soundtrack
yung mga
sila.
ano talaga. Oo. Maybe I would have appreciated it more kung ganun pa lang yung bagsak.
Or naisip ko parang how the soundtracks of the 90s go. Yung parang may song for the movie pero
yung
sumisingit
mga
si
Celine
Trisha
Dion na
Yearwood.
ano.
Yung libo lumalabas si Trisha Yearwood.
Correct.
Lalabas si
Oo.
Celine
Saka
Dion
yung
bigla.
My Heart Will Go On ni Celine
Oo,
Dion. Tas-
yung mga-
Tsaka yung Secret Garden.
Oh my
Yung
God,
mga-
ang
You
ganda.
Had Me at Hello.
Oo.
Yung mga
You
magpapakita
had me at
sila
hello.
ng
Mga
ganon.
ganyan.
Kasi parang sayang
Parang
eh.
may
Parang hindi mo
oo.
na-introduce sila. Alam mo yun, it's their
Oo.
song. But they're not there. And this is their, probably their, album together bago sila mag-enlist. And then the first music video you see from them, wala pa sila. Parang, sad.
Oo
Correct.
nga.
Tas lookalike lang ni DK. Paano si Song Kwan?
Siya yung
Siya
girl.
nga yung babae.
Siya yung babae.
Kaya nga siya yung nag-Lady Gaga at si DK si Bruno
Correct.
Mars.
Totoo.
Parang ano yun, foreshadowing.
Yes, yun na yun. Mm-mm.
Gustong-gusto ko pa naman yung dalawang actors na yon, si Yumi tsaka si Steve No. So medyo ang taas ng expectations ko na parang, ooh, this should be fun. I mean, Pledis hired really top-notch actors for this. But,
To be fair,
I
nothing to
guess-
say about their acting. Their acting
Yeah,
was
yeah.
so good. It was really
Yeah,
the
yeah.
scripting that was
It's the
horrible.
script. Yeah. It was one of those na kahit gaano kagaling yung acting mo, if it's a bad script, it's still gonna
Yeah.
suck. So,
Yeah.
On like a brighter note, I feel like pulling away from in my case parang like hindi naman siya sobrang sagwa. Alam mo yun, feeling ko parang kunyari papanoorin mo lang siya and like really feeling that song. Parang feeling ko mararide mo naman yung video in itself. Alam mo yun. But it could have been so much better.
like maybe those who can relate to it will be moved by it. I don't know.
Kasi may mga scenes naman na parang naantig naman ako to a certain degree.
Totoo. Ako hindi kasi ako si team give up on love. Pero kasi yung lyrics nga kasi is about a breakup. So parang
Correct.
umaasa lang ako, first part lang siguro to, tapos sa K-drama, tas magkakabalikan din sila kasi may realize nila, ganun. Pero because it ended that way, I'm not team leave the person when they're at their lowest. Parang dun kasi ako parang,
Yeah.
you don't do that. I know it's
Yeah.
tough. It takes a lot and it's not easy for anybody. Pero again, just me, I'm not team give up on love kasi. Kaya parang it
Correct.
doesn't sit well on me with me.
If only sana mas nabigyan ng clearer story, background story, or kumbaga reasoning si ate girl to leave. Because like, gets naman that, you can't also be eaten away because of the guy's blueness, diba? Kasi, I mean, what if it's really eating up your life na talaga, diba? Like, why still pursue? But yun nga, because it's like, sa 7 minutes na yun, hindi pa rin siya nabakita. But basically, parang sa
Right.
sobrang love now niya, parang hindi pa rin siya, yeah, you're right, hindi pa rin siya strong enough to be okay that she left him.
Magaling pa rin si DK at si Song Kwan. Maganda
Yun ang
pa rin yung mga
importante.
boses nila.
Yun naman ang
Parang their
pinaka-importante
voices
sa lahat.
soared. Like,
Yeah.
I felt
For
every
sure.
emotion from their voice. So,
But
yeah.
I need to be redeemed. Masyado talaga ako na-focus on the short film and like wondering what's going on and alam mo yon, figuring out why this was the what you call that, direction of
Correct.
their first release, etc., etc. Like masyado ako na-focus doon that I forgot to like not focus on their I forgot to focus on their music mismo. So parang
Oh.
I thought that was not such a great experience for me, but hopefully, again, with the performance version that I am expecting, we are expecting, things will be better. Itong Blue, so It comes from their mini album Serenade, and Serenade has 6 other songs, and we are going to listen to them, of course. Pero ang tanong is, Sarang Bass, do you want us to make a review, an album review basically, of Serenade by DK and Songkwan? Do let us know in the comments, and we will listen to you, of course. Pero more or less, I think you guys know what we're gonna do anyway, but still, we want to know your thoughts on this music video also, aside from letting us know if you want to hear and see a full album review of Serenade. Yeah, so this has been fun. Thank you, DK and Songkwan, for
Mahal ko
this
pa rin kayo. Kahit anong
experience.
gawin nyo, wala
Yes.
kayong gagawin.
Oo.
As in.
Correct naman yan. Correct. Like, I feel like this is just an enrichment to our experience with, loving your music, loving them, diba? Because like it's part of the growth from artists and listeners alike. So again, this has been fun. Sarang Bass, share this episode with your friends. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. See you on our next episode. See you on our next music video reaction. And thank you again. You're the best. Gumawa, Chegoya, and Sarang Hey!
Sarang hey!